During the last 3 months, the current prosecutor for the International Criminal Court has been making public statements that he has jurisdiction over alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity in Afghanistan and is performing a, quote, preliminary investigation into operations by U.S. and other NATO forces. This could lead to ICC prosecutions of American soldiers, even though the United States has never ratified the Rome Statute. Among other things, he's declined to rule out ICC prosecutions based upon unmanned U.S. drone strikes against leaders there in Afghanistan. However, this administration has been moving the United States closer to the International Criminal Court. The Secretary of State has expressed great regret we're not a signatory to the Rome Statute. And last month, for the first time since the Rome Statute entered into force, the administration sent a delegation to participate in a meeting of the ICC Assembly of Parties. It's my understanding that the U.S. Ambassador at Large for War Crimes, Ambassador Rapp, who was at the meeting, said nothing to protest or dispute the ICC's prosecutorial jurisdictional claims. We understand that there is an Article 98 agreement with Afghanistan that exempts Afghanistan, a signatory to the Rome Agreement, from turning our troops over to the International Criminal Court. However, the soldiers, if they're in member states such as Japan, Germany, and even the UK, may be subject to jurisdiction. I'd like your opinions on whether you agree or disagree with the ICC's prosecutorial claim of potential jurisdiction to prosecute U.S. and NATO troops over actions taken in Afghanistan.
Congressman, let me just speak from a United States perspective. We do have a bilateral agreement with Afghanistan, Article 98.
Right.
As we do with other states, certain other states that are parties to the ICC, and this precludes the Afghan government from surrendering U.S. troops to the ICC. The bottom line is here, and the important bottom line is our troops are protected from being turned over to the ICC, the commitment of this administration.
While they're in Afghanistan, what if they're what if they're in other countries that are not signatories to an Article 98 agreement, but the countries themselves are signatories to the Rome Agreement?
Let me get back for the record on that important question. Congressman, I know it's a complicated legal issue.
General McChrystal, do you have an opinion on that? I mean, I think we need a definitive answer because young men and women are being asked to go overseas to Afghanistan to engage in combat. They need to know whether or not they can be arrested in countries that are signatories to the Rome Agreement.
Congressman, I absolutely agree. We need clarity. I would like to, along with Ambassador Eikenberry, take this for the record to ensure we get you an accurate answer.
Well, I had hoped that we would have it today. I mean, we're concerned about the prosecution of the 3 Navy SEALs. A lot of people have contacted us. They don't think the military is standing behind the young men and women in uniform. They don't think that because some terrorist got punched out that they should be subjected to a court-martial that's taking place in this country. I would like the assurance of both of you that if there's no clarity on this, that we will have clarity, especially in light of the fact that the Secretary of State is expressing regret that we're not a party to the Rome Agreement. Ambassador, both of you, are you on record as saying that you're absolutely opposed under any circumstances to men and women in uniform being arrested anywhere in the world and tried before the ICC court as a result of their actions in either Iraq or Afghanistan?
Congressman, yes, and we will get back with you on the. We'll get back with you for the record on the very specifics of what you're talking about.
And General, your answer would be yes, also.
Same position, Congressman.
Thank you. I yield back.
Time of the gentleman is expired. The gentleman from Florida, Mr. Klein, is recognized for.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. I'm over here. How are you?